Hello everyone, this is the third part of the KNN analysis with R. In this video, I'm going to show how you can score the new records to predict the potential gym members. To score the records of potential gym members, first we import data gym_score into a data frame and name it myScoreData. So here, myScoreData is equal to read.csv gym_score.csv and then control enter. Now you can see on the screen myScoreData, 23 observations and 3 variables. Then we use the scale function to standardize the new data set and name it myScoreData1. So here myScoreData1 is equal to scale, and we are going to scale myScoreData and then control enter. And next we use the predict function to score the new records. So let's call new records are going to be stored in KNN score is equal to predict, open the parentheses, KNN fit, comma, new data is equal to myScoreData1 and then control enter. Once the scoring is finished, the KNN_score object will contain classification results, whether or not the potential gym members are likely to enroll. So yes is equal to 1 and no is equal to 0. We use the data.frame function to append the classification results back to the original dataset and the view function to display the updated dataset. So let's do that. myScoreData is equal to data.frame and open the parentheses myScoreData, comma, KNN_score and then control enter. And let's view in the parentheses myScoreData and then control enter. So you can see the results here on the screen. Based on the R, when you look at the results, you realize that R suggests the fitness center should focus on contacting potential gym members who are older than 40 years with a high annual income. So this is how you can score new potential gym members using R. Thank you for watching this video.